Kia ora whānau, what's good? Welcome to Quinton's Quick Tips tutorial today, and today we will be doing the see-through effect. So this is the image that we're going to be doing. We need two photos, so we need one with the object, that's me over there, and just one with the background. First step we're going to do is head over to the toolbar and grab the object selection tool. If it's not there, it might be in the drop down, like so, and then you just select it. Cool, make sure you're on the right layer and then create a nice selection around the grey top. Boom, nice selection around the grey top. Before we add a mask, we would like to invert the selection. To do that, we just need to do Ctrl+Shift+I. We inverted the selection, and then now we head down to the bottom right corner and just click on this icon down here. Boom, straight away, nice and easy, quick as, and it looks pretty good. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you would like some more videos like this, head over to our page, and yeah, see you guys next time.